Hi kids! Let's learn the alphabet with sounds and fun words. Say it with me. Let's go from A to Z. Sing, shout, and follow along. We'll learn the sounds in this fun song.
A is for arrow, ah, ah, ah. The arrow zooms up to the sky. B is for butterfly, ba, ba, ba. The butterfly flaps and floats on by. C is for car, ka, ka, ka. The car goes fast, vroom, vroom.
Vroom, vroom.
D is for donut, da, da, da. A donut sweet and round, yum, yum.
Yum, yum.
E is for eagle, eh, eh, eh. The eagle soars way up high.
Hi.
F is for frog, fa, fa, fa. The frog goes ribbit as he jumps nearby. G is for girl, ga, ga, ga. The girl smiles and waves hello.
Good.
H is for honey, ha, ha, ha. Sticky and golden, it's good to go. I is for igloo, eh, eh, eh. An igloo's cold and made of snow.
Snow.
J is for jackal, ja, ja, ja. The jackal runs, not too slow. K is for kite, ka, ka, ka. The kite flies up and touches the sky. L is for llama, ooh, ooh, ooh. A llama is fluffy and walks right by. M is for mouse, mm, mm, mm. A mouse is small and loves to sneak. N is for nose, mm, mm, mm. Your nose can smell, take a peek. O is for octopus, ah, ah, ah. With 8 long arms, it swims around gel. P is for pencil, p, p, p. A pencil writes without a sound. Q is for quill, qua, qua, qua. Feathers that write, how fancy they look. I is for reindeer, They run through snow and leap over brook. S is for spider, s, s, s. A spider spins a silky thread. T is for teddy, t, t, t. A teddy is soft, perfect for bed. U is for uniform, ah, ah, ah. We wear our uniforms every day. V is for vulture, v, v, v. The vulture flies far, far away. W is for watch, wa, wa, wa. Check the time, now go and play. X is for x-ray, x, x, x. It shows your bones in a special way. Y is for yak, ya, ya, ya. A yak is strong and full of fur. Z is for zippers, zip it up, smooth and sure. Say the sound, say the word. Learning letters is not absurd. Let's clap, let's cheer, ABC. Sing with me, from A to Z. You did it! You learned each sound. From zigzag zippers to frogs that bound. Keep practicing, sound them out loud. You're an ABC star, stand up proud.